You have just clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you how to show any Wi-Fi password or how to find any Wi-Fi password on your phone. So follow these steps to do so. So the first thing is to make sure subscribe for this method to work for you. So you're going to click on the settings app. Then you're going to click on the Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi app there. And then make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on, okay? Make sure you have a Wi-Fi. Don't be Don't be so broke, okay? And then click on the Wi-Fi you're connected to. And then you can see there's a code option here. Just click on it and see what will happen, okay? So you've just clicked on the code and this is the Wi-Fi password down there, okay? Down there, so you can see that is my Wi-Fi password. It has just shown me my Wi-Fi password, okay? So that's how to do it. Make sure to subscribe and watch this next video.